students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss sentence completion. So the question is, complete the sentences below with the correct words taken from the passage. Use no more than 2 words and or a number. So you should not use more than 2 words. Okay. So the first question is, in the vast, never-ending universe, a dash of celestial objects move in silent harmony. Okay, so we have to find the keyword. What is the keyword here? Celestial objects. Okay, move. So let's look at the passage. So if we look at the passage and paragraph 1, we'll see, in the boundless expanse of the cosmos, where galaxies swirl in the majestic spirals and nebulae glow, a symphony of celestial bodies dances to the silent rhythm of the universe. Okay? A dash of celestial objects move. Okay? Celestial objects, celestial bodies. So the answer should be a symphony. Okay? The answer should be a symphony. Now let's move on to the second question. Every section of this cosmic artwork contains an untold dash, an enigma longing to be solved. Enigma could be mystery. So we have to find where the keyword mystery is. Cosmic artwork, this could be design. So let's look at the passage. So if we look at section 2, it states, from the fiery infernos of the newborn stars to the icy depths of distant planets, each corner of this cosmic tapestry holds a story waiting to be told, a mystery yearning to be unraveled. Contains a dash, okay, an untold story, okay, an enigma longing to be solved. Okay, so the passage states, each corner of this cosmic tapestry holds a story waiting to be told. Okay, an untold story, it is waiting to be told, synonym. Okay, a mystery yearning to be unraveled. Okay, so the third question is, it is a domain. Basically this is continuing, so we'll find the next answer in the following passage only. Okay, this goes in continuation. It is a domain where the flow of time resembles a dash carrying echoes of ancient stellar explosions. Okay, stellar here could be star, domain area. So let's look at the passage. Okay, it is a realm where time flows like a river. Okay, where the flow of time flows, flow of time resembles a dash. This is in the first line only. Resembles a river carrying echoes of ancient stellar explosions. Okay, carrying with it echoes of ancient supernovae stars. Okay, so the answer should be river. Now question number 4. As we stand on the shores of our blue planet, staring up at the night sky illuminated by the radiance of countless dash. Okay, radiance means something that shines. Okay, most likely stars shine. Planets do not, we cannot see planets from our naked eye, but we can see stars. Okay, so this is most likely stars. So let's look at the passage. So if we look at section 4, we will see, as we stand upon the shores of our tiny blue planet, okay, gazing up at the night sky, ablaze with the light of billion countless suns. Okay, so the answer should be suns. Countless suns. You will think that, oh, we have only one sun, right? But you are correct. But here the meaning is for countless suns is kind of like a synonym for stars. Okay, but the answer should be suns. Now the fifth and the final question. The glittering stars overhead urge us to dash and to dash, to venture past the limit of our world and grasp the infinite possibilities that exist beyond. Okay? Urge. So whenever something is urging us, it is kind of like an activity that you have to do. You have urges like eating or running or playing sport. We have different urges. Okay, so we have to look at the context. So let's look at the passage now. Okay, if we look at section 4, the twinkling stars above beckon us to explore, to discover, to reach beyond the confine of our world and touch the infinite possibilities, to venture past the limits, to reach beyond the limits. Okay, so the answer should be explore, discover. Okay, so this was IELTS reading sentence completion. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button